We're converting these 2 flats back into one house, and at the minute, we're in the process of doing our loft conversion. We've already completed a lot of the work for this, so make sure you check out our loft conversion playlist to see what we've done so far. So this is where we're at so far. So the whole area is all plasterboarded out, and next up it was time to give the whole place a good old clean. We then insulated the floor with 200mm of rock wool before laying on top the floorboards. So this is what the loft space was looking like at this stage. So we'd done about a third of the floor here. We continued by insulating this section of the space and followed by adding floorboards again. We used both glue and screws for this. And finally, laying the floorboards for this section here, which is going to be our ensuite. Here's us just measuring up for some layout plans. Next up was building this side of the stud wall. Our bed actually faces this stud wall, so put your guesses in the comments for why we've got this kind of hatched area in this stud wall. By the way, just a note, that toilet there is just for layout ideas. It's definitely not the finished toilet. So this is Lloyd then going ahead and plasterboarding this wall and cutting out the hatch. After this was done, we then moved on to building the second stud wall. So this is what it's looking like so far. This is where our door's going to go, and then this is it from the other angle. So this is the wall which our pocket door is going to be in. So here's Lloyd just making a start for the frame. We decided to go for a pocket door because we don't really like the attic doors which have a corner cut off on them. And if you don't know how a pocket door works, it's kind of like the clues in the name. So the door literally just slides into the wall like it's going into a pocket. We decided on going for this frosted glass door so it lets light in and out from both sides. Have to admit, putting this door kit together was not the easiest of tasks, and it definitely tested our patience. So this is where we're at so far with the loft conversion. The next job is getting these walls plastered. We've got the plasterer booked in for this. Then it's going to be carpeting and furnishing time, which we're so excited for. Make sure to follow for more updates.